Microsoft Copilot just got a major upgrade, and it's changing how we work across apps. With the new Windows 11 Insider update, Copilot now connects to both Microsoft and Google services. You can link Gmail, Google Calendar, Drive, OneDrive, and Outlook, all from the Copilot settings. Google services ask for extra permissions, like viewing and sending emails or accessing your Drive files. Need a file fast? Just ask. Copilot pulled OneDrive document in seconds. Looking for subscription emails? It will find Outlook message about subscriptions right away. It even searched Gmail, showing both the original and forwarded version of an email. You can ask for your next dentist appointment. Copilot will pull it from Google Calendar with date and time. And here's the cool part. No need to say where it's stored. Copilot checks everything, everywhere. Now it can export chats into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even PDF, right from your conversation. This feature's rolling out to Windows insiders, but a full release is likely coming soon. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.